Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to use dual WhatsApp in iPhone. It's very easy and very quickly. Do you need one app? This app, your name is two accounts, dual app space. This or this, what do you prefer? Okay, what do you prefer? I select the first option. This two accounts, dual app space. This app may duplicate your app WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Skype, Telegram, any. Okay, this app is free and is very security, easy, quickly, any. Okay, sorry for my English, it's very bad, I know, but I want time to learn speak English. Okay, and this is the best option if you want have two accounts with the same or different number in your same iPhone. Okay, this is all for this video and I wait that you have a good day. I appreciate if you please touch button like from this video and see you later. Okay, bye bye.